I've been gone a long, long time, but I can still hear the tracks. I own my sins like work boots, tracked them through every room, said words that couldn't be taken back. Learned too late what silence cost you. I know how it feels to be right and wrong, both at once for far too long. I know the weight of a closed fist pride, I know regret that don't run or hide. I told myself I was too far gone, that mercy had a closing song. But every night the rails would hum like sun, the train still comes. Ain't no returning who you were, but you can still answer the blur. There's a whistle in the dark that says you ain't finished yet. There's a last train home again, full of ghosts and living men. You don't board it clean or brave, you board it honest, tired and changed. Last train home again leaves no one like they've been. If you're willing to lay your crown, that train will slow down. I broke some hearts I can't repair, left some silence hanging there. Some debts get paid in ways that don't erase the damage made. I used to think forgiveness meant no consequences, no cement. But grace ain't cheap and grace ain't loud, it kneels you down and stands your ground. I called it freedom, running wild, but I was just a scared up child, building walls out of my name, hoping distance could outrun shame. I don't ask the past to forget, I just carry it with less regret. I face each day with open hand, that's the price of being a man. There's a last train home again, full of tears and second chances. You don't ride it free of blame, you ride it choosing not to shame. Last train home again stops where truth and mercy blend. If you make it on your knees, you still made it clean. This decree ain't about erasing what you did, it's about not repeating it. It's about calling the people you owe, paying what you can, and changing what you control. Redemption ain't a feeling, it's a practice. I ain't asking doors to reopen wide, some stay closed, that's justified. I just ask for one clear track to walk forward, not turn back. There's a last train home again, still breathing, still within. If you can lay your weapons down, you can hear it sound. Last train home again carries truth, not pretend. If you're still alive tonight, that means you're on time. I'm heading home, not to who I was, but to who I can still become.